Today I'm going to review the MSI Codex R3, a pre-built gaming desktop. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming desktop for yourself and get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. So today I'm diving into the world of gaming PCs with an exciting review of the MSI Codex R3 gaming desktop. This is a powerhouse equipped with the top of the line specs that promises to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. But as always, we'll be covering the good, the great, and the not so great about the gaming rig. So let's kick things off with the features that make the MSI Codex R3 a standout choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Powered by an Intel Core i7-14700F processor, this beast boasts a performance hybrid architecture with up to 20 cores, 8 dedicated to high-performance tasks, and 12 handling more efficient processes, ensuring an uncompromised gaming experience. One of the key highlights is the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti, driven by an ADA architecture. This graphics card doesn't just play games, it unleashes the full glory of ray tracing, simulating realistic light behavior for an immersive visual feast. Whether you're into gaming, video editing, or just everyday use, this desktop is designed to handle it all. Speaking of design, the Codex R3 features a sleek and simplistic design that not only looks good, but also accommodates the latest generation of Windows 11 Home. While MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business use, the Home Edition is perfect for your everyday needs. Now let's talk about the speed. The 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD ensures your system is beyond fast, providing ample storage space for games, applications, and more. And to keep things cool while gaming, the RGB CPU, air cooler, and 4 system cooling fans work in tandem to pull the cool air and efficiently push heat out of the PC. And here's a fun feature. Turn on the bright lights. The built-in RGB lights add a touch of flair to your gaming setup. Press the MSI LED button to cycle through lighting options or customize them even further with the MSI Center software. Now let's discuss the versatile applications of the MSI Codex R3. Whether you're a professional video editor, a hardcore gamer, or someone who simply needs a high-performance PC for everyday tasks, this desktop has got you covered. So number one is gaming. With the Intel Core i7 processor and the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti, the Codex R3 ensures your game without compromise. Enjoy smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and stunning graphics in the latest titles. Number 2 is video editing. The powerhouse hardware, including the 32GB of DDR5 RAM, makes this desktop a powerhouse for video editing, rendering and edit your videos with ease, reducing wait times and boosting overall productivity. And number 3 is the everyday use. Windows 11 Home coupled with the fast SSD make everyday tasks a breeze. From browsing the web to running multiple applications simultaneously, the Codex R3 handles it all with speed and efficiency. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the one con you should consider before pulling the trigger on the MSI Codex R3. While this gaming desktop offers premium experience, it's worth noting that its weight at 26.4 pounds might be a concern for those who value portability. If you're someone who frequently moves their setup or attends LAN parties, the weight could be a drawback. So in conclusion, the MSI Codex R3 gaming desktop is a powerhouse that delivers on its promises. From gaming to video editing and everyday use, it covers a wide range of applications. The stunning design and customizable RGB lighting add a touch of personalization to your setup. Just be mindful of the weight if portability is a significant factor to you. That wraps up my review for today, and if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.